Hi, this video will show you how to grade quizzes in D2L. Note that most quizzes in D2L are auto-graded unless the quiz contains any written response questions. Written response questions must be graded manually by the instructor. If your entire quiz consists of auto-graded questions, no further action is needed to grade student quizzes. However, this video will still show you how to add manual grades and feedback to quizzes if desired, or if you need to grade written response questions. First, go to the main quizzes area. Click the drop-down arrow next to the quiz you would like to grade, then select Grade. Select the student's submission under the student's name, for instance, Attempt 1. A screen showing all quiz questions and the user's responses will open. First, verify that all auto-graded questions were graded appropriately. To change an auto-graded score to, for instance, award partial credit or correct a misspelling, simply type in a different number into the score field under a question. For any questions that were not auto-graded, like written response questions, manually input the grades for those questions. To give feedback on how you scored a question, open the Expand Question Feedback underneath the score field and type your feedback. The final score will auto-calculate at the top of the page after all auto-graded and manually graded questions have been accounted for. You can also override this score, though, by typing in a different value. You can also add attempt feedback for the quiz overall at the top of the quiz. Select Update at the bottom when you are done scoring the quiz. Use the arrows at the top of the page to quickly move between students while you are grading. Graded quizzes will show a score under Grade in the grid on the quiz grading page. If this score is visible to students, it will also say Published, followed by a timestamp. If you do not see this, students cannot see their score yet. To make all scores visible to students, select the checkbox next to a student or select all students. Then select Publish Feedback. All scores should now say Published next to them. To undo publishing scores, select Retract Feedback. Are student quiz grades not showing up in your gradebook? Go back and edit the quiz. Make sure that under Evaluation and Feedback settings, you have selected both Auto-Publish Attempt Results immediately upon completion and Synchronize to Gradebook on Publish. Click Save and Close. Student grades should show up in the gradebook now. Watch the next video for guidance on how to give all students credit for a single quiz question.